a major Kraft Pulp mill in Indonesia, was experiencing significant corrosion and pitting damage inside a continuous digester, with extensive surface degradation, localized gouging, and wall thickness loss in the extraction and washing zones, threatening long-term operational performance. To restore the damaged areas, IGS implemented a multi-year weld overlay program using stainless steel 309 LSI corrosion-resistant overlay technology. The project included grinding and sandblasting, repair of deep gouges, replacement of backing bars and screens, and automated weld overlay installation using IGS welding systems. Targeted maintenance overlays were then completed during planned outages to maintain corrosion protection. The initial outage restored more than 3,300 square feet in just 12 days, with follow-up maintenance campaigns completed in as little as 7 days. Inspection after 1, 2, and 3 years confirmed the weld overlay continued protecting previously damaged areas. The program extended continuous digester life while avoiding extensive vessel replacement and reducing the risk of unscheduled downtime.